Assalamu Walaikum. Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my new video. In this video, I am going to show you how to write surface area of a sphere equation in Microsoft Word. Let's get started. Firstly, we have to open a Word document. Now we want to write surface area of a sphere equation in this document. Go to the Insert menu. Then click the equation drop down menu and go to the more equation from office.com. Then find the surface area of sphere equation. Here the surface area of a sphere. Now we insert it. Then we can see we write the surface area of sphere equation very easily. You can edit the equation, click the equation box and go to the design menu. Then add another formula and edit this formula. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like, comment, share and subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching.